This is our model number 245, unified power factor control. Here we have a lamp and we also have provision for another lamp. They are all in parallel, and we also have an inductor here. Then the back-to-back SCRs, 4 sets, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4 capacitors. Because there is an LCD and then certain arrangements like to see the lagging power factor and then the leading, or leading means in the lag or the compensated, and we can go for linear load or an inductive load. The rest all as per the circuit diagram, and when we switch on this, presently we have a very low wattage lamp, lower the watt. Since both of them are in series, the power factor will be quite good. Now let's see. Now we find that the power factor is roughly 1, and there is no delay. The power factor is 1. Now if it will be in 0.97, and it is so programmed that in 0.97 one capacitor, that is this back-to-back SCR is conducting, and one capacitor comes into circuit. And if we change this lamp and go over to a higher wattage lamp, we change it to a higher wattage lamp, what we notice that the inductance will increase, and what we can see is now we switch off and switch on again, and we see that the inductance will increase. Once the inductance increases, the power factor is definitely bad. So what we find is power factor is 0.61, and the time, that is 2 to 3 milliseconds delay. We can also check the linear load, or if you would like to see how much the power factor improved, we can switch on this switch, and that will indicate as to how the power factor is corrected to 1. Now the capacitors are switched on, that is why the power factor is 1. Now if we go back to the same situation of reading the inductive load, and we find that the inductive load, as we had seen before, is the same. What we find is 0.61, and the time is 2 to 3 milliseconds delay. And now supposing we bypass the choke and the lamp is switched on. When the lamp is switched on, all of us know that since this is a linear load, the power factor will automatically switch over to 1. That we can see when we switch off and switch on again. But we see that the power factor is going to be nearly unity. Is because it is a linear load. Thank you.